Our next video in the bread and butter series is going to be receiving payment. And it's only right at this stage because we just sent out a bunch of invoices and you want to make sure that you can apply payments in the system whenever they do come in. So from my applications drop down, I'm going to go to accounts receivable, and beside receive payments new, I'm going to click on my little plus button. When I get in here, then it's going to ask me for my customer, and I'm going to do Big Apple GC, and I'm going to hit my undeposited funds account, and then I'm going to do a batch deposit. But you can, of course, just hit a bank account directly if you wish. My payment method is going to be check, but put in whatever makes sense. And I'm going to make up a check number, and I'm going to say that they gave me 2,500. I'm going to click on show invoices, and it's going to bring up all of the invoices for that customer. And when you get in here, you might have hundreds of invoices, in which case you might need to create a new filter. And if you wanted to select all, you can click here, but I received 2,500, which isn't even the amount of the first one. So I'll just select the first one. It's showing me in my oldest at the top. So I'm applying it to this quick bill. I'm going to add and close. It's going to pre-fill my date from today, and I'm going to keep my receipt and my payment date the same. Then down here, if I had any credits to apply, this is where I would apply them. And say you had selected multiple invoices, you could change around the payment amount here if you wanted to apply it differently than the system does it. And then I'm just going to post this. And the next step then would be to go to my accounts receivable module once again, and under the payment section here in the middle, click on my deposits. And this is because I hit an undeposited funds account, and now I want to do a batch deposit. I received in a bunch of checks, I went to the bank, and now I want to put that into the system. So I'm going to select my Bank of America account, and that's the only thing I have to put in. I'm going to say continue. I'm going to put in today's date, and here's all my checks that are available for deposit. And I'm just going to select all of them. And I have $51,500, and that's going in today. And I'm going to say save. So that's that deposit done. And we're getting towards the end of our bread and butter series now. As always, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video.